Hey Rosario, how you doing, girl?
I'm doing great, thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to Skydive Elsinore. Now we're gonna be, you know, kind of pushing you out of an airplane today.
Okay.
You okay with that? No problems? Cool. What particular reason brought you out here today?
Oh, it's my birthday.
Get out of here. Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you.
Right. Anything you want to say to family or friends who are watching this with you later on?
I love you, and I'll see you at the bottom.
Girl, I'm gonna see you in the sky, okay?
Yep.
Let's go have some fun.
Yep.
All right.
Exactly. Hips down, push your legs back between mine as far as you can. When I tap you on the shoulders, that means you can let go of your harness. Wave, smile, have fun. Alright.
Rosario, you just jumped out of a plane. How do you feel?
Wonderful.
Yeah?
Alright.
What was
Awesome.
Give me your hand, sweetheart. What was the best part?
The jump. Yeah. I wasn't crazy about the whole turning and stuff, but
You did great.
yeah, it was awesome.
Good skydiver. Congratulations. Awesome, guys.
Nice.